And now first, let's draw butterfly like a pro. This is my collection of butterflies. I like to draw butterfly every day because I can change the color, the details, or the form of each butterfly. You can also see my other class. The title is How to Draw Butterfly with Procreate. It's all about drawing butterfly. In that class, I teach you how to give details on each wing and also how to give textures on each detail. You will love it. If you want to see that class, go to that class first and then you can continue with this class because I combine the butterfly and the garden. But now I will teach you to draw this butterfly. I like the white details here because white gives sparks to this butterfly with blue and light pink wings and have a dark blue and red details. So of course, I give you the color palettes that you can download it from this class and then you can use it as your guidance. If you are ready, now create a new canvas. I choose 3000 x 3000 pixels, it's enough. And then you insert photo, the guidance of the color palette into your canvas. Use transform to locate and resize. And now you have layer 1 and background layer. Let's draw the butterfly using this color palette. Add new layer for the wings and for the guidance. In layer 1, if you want to use opacity, drag opacity so it will be only your guidance and it will not disturb your drawing. In layer 2, for the wings, make sure you go to action, canvas and then turn on the drawing guide. You will see symmetry and then choose vertical and turn on the assisted drawing. So you will see these vertical lines and you can choose the color by sliding this line and then click done. We will use this color palette to draw this butterfly. So first I will create body and this one is the dark blue. So I can pick up the color with hold my fingers. The dark blue comes up and then now we are ready to draw body. I use calligraphy monoline and now I start to draw the butterfly's body. Drag the color into body and you can fill this color. And now I will add new layer for upper wings and I pick up the color from this color palette, the blue one. And then don't forget to turn on your drawing assist. And then you draw the upper wings with closed line. I mean, if you draw with closed line, you can fill the color by dragging this into the shape. But if you not close it, then you cannot do it. So make sure I close again this pin and drag it and it fill the shape. Sometimes I change the form of the wings and you can undo or tap your two fingers. And now we can see here we will add the red and dark green details. I pick up the color of the red and then I have red here. Still on the upper wing, the blue one, and then I draw the details. Oops, I make a dots. You just tap your two fingers or undo. I like to zoom in or zoom out so I can see that the details is good or still need some revision. I continue to add some more details. This is only the guidance, but you can draw whatever you like. If you want to draw only inside the upper wing, make sure you turn on alpha locks so your drawing will not come out of the upper wing. Now I continue with the dark blue details. So I hold to pick up the color. And then now I move to give more details. I'm still in layer 3 for the upper wing, and then I fill in by drawing these shapes. I add some more until I'm happy with it. And for the lines, I will choose inking technical pen and still with dark blue. Now I adjust the size of the brush. And then make sure you do alpha lock, and you can draw the line now on this upper wing. Alpha locks will not allow your drawings go outside the wing. See, I just draw it and the lines still keep inside the upper wings because we already turned on the alpha lock. Let's continue with pink wings. This is a very nice details, and I need to pick up red color, so I hold it and then I move to layer 4, which is for pink wings, but I create another layer, layer 5, and I make sure I turn on the drawing assist.